Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port and power it via USB or the wall adapter so it boots. Make sure the TV input matches that HDMI. On your phone, join the same Wi-Fi network you plan to use. This is crucial because setup pairs over local network. Once the device shows a welcome screen, open the Google Home app. You'll need it to detect the Chromecast and continue the guided setup. In Google Home, tap the plus icon and choose Add Device. The app searches for that welcome screen code. Confirm the code you see on the TV to pair. Next, name the Chromecast and select the same Wi-Fi network. This tells it where to stream from and why consistent Wi-Fi matters for performance. Allow any automatic firmware updates. They often include stability and codec improvements. Wait patiently during updates. Interruption can cause fail. To start, open a Cast-enabled app on your phone and tap the Cast icon, then select your Chromecast. This streams the content to the LCD TV. You can tweak TV picture mode and audio output for better sync and clarity. Make sure the TV remains on the HDMI input. If streaming fails, reboot the Chromecast and your router. Often that clears DHCP or interference issues. Also make sure your phone and Chromecast use the same Wi-Fi band. Switching bands can restore connectivity quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.